channel. This is Alicia Arya and today I am going to create a design with stars. The nail polish here I am using today is from TS Beauty and the shade name is Evening Star. I am applying 2 coats and then I will start with the nail art design. I am creating the design using acrylic paints and which I'll seal it with a top coat. And yes, I would really recommend you all to use a very thin detailed brush to get the desired nail art design. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Also let me know which nail art design next would you all like to see.